In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the default name on Zoom. So I was at a meeting the other day, and a lady there was saying that every time she started a Zoom meeting, she had to change and rename herself because there was some information in there that she didn't want, and it was getting quite annoying because she was doing it every single time she used Zoom. So I said that I would record a video to show you how to change it so that you didn't have to keep updating it every time. So this information is pulled through from your Zoom account, so you need to change it on the desktop app of Zoom. So let me just close this. So I am here on my Zoom account. So go to zoom.us on your desktop computer and log into Zoom there. Then click on Profile and then click on Edit at the top. And this gives you your display name. So this is what will come through as your default name every time you start Zoom. So you can change it in here, whatever information you've got. Also, just to point out here, this is where your pronouns come from, so whether you want to include them or you don't want to include them, then that is where you would change that there. And there's also some other information if you want to put that in. Just make sure that those settings are exactly how you want them to be, and that is what the default information will be. Click Save at the bottom once you've updated it. Your settings have been updated, and then every time you start a Zoom meeting, it will pull that default information through. So I hope that has helped. If you've enjoyed this video, then do give it a like below. I've got loads of other videos on my channel, all for health professionals, therapists, qualified coaches, to help demystify the world of technology so you can build a brilliant business. So by all means, browse the channel and watch any other videos that you would find helpful. So thank you very much for watching, and take care.